Welcome to this complete Seville, Spain travel guide where the sun always shines and the oranges are as sweet as the locals. Nestled in the heart of southern Spain, Seville is the vibrant capital of Andalusia, a region known for its rich history, passionate flamenco dancing and mouth-watering tapas. From the moment you set foot in this city, you'll be enchanted by its lively atmosphere, charming narrow streets and the warm hospitality of its people. As we journey through Seville, we'll explore iconic landmarks like the Plaza de España, the Alcázar of Seville, and the Grand Seville Cathedral. We'll wander through the picturesque Barrio Santa Cruz, marvel at the modern metropole Parasol, and witness an electrifying flamenco show. We'll also cross the Triana Bridge, relax in Maria Luisa Park, gaze at the golden Torre del Oro, and wander through the stunning Real Alcázar Gardens. So buckle up and prepare to soak up the Spanish sun as we explore the enchanting city of Seville. Our first stop is the Plaza de España, a place that's more like a palace than a square. This architectural marvel, brimming with grandeur, is a spectacle to behold. It's a fusion of Renaissance and Moorish styles, creating a timeless aesthetic that leaves visitors in awe. The plaza's charm is further amplified by its picturesque bridges, each representing one of Spain's ancient provinces. They arch over a beautiful canal where you can row a boat and soak in the surrounding beauty. Now, here's a fun fact. If you've ever watched Star Wars Episode 2, you've already had a glimpse of this place. Yes, the Plaza de España was used as a filming location, standing in for the city of Theed on the planet of Naboo. So whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or a Star Wars fan, the Plaza de España has something to offer. From the captivating Plaza de España, we now move to a royal spectacle. Welcome to the Alcázar of Seville, a royal palace that's as majestic as it is ancient. Here, history and beauty intertwine in a stunning tapestry of Moorish and Christian influences. The Alcázar's creation began in the 10th century, evolving over time to become the breathtaking spectacle it is today. This fortress palace is a testament to the Mudéjar architecture, a style that bloomed when Muslim and Christian cultures coexisted. The intricate carvings, colorful tiles, and ornate archways are a feast for the eyes, while the serene courtyards and lush gardens offer a tranquil respite from the world outside. And if the walls of the Alcázar could talk, they'd tell tales of kings and queens, of power and intrigue. They might even spill the beans about their starring role in the blockbuster television series Game of Thrones. But alas, we must leave these stories to the imagination. From the royal Alcázar, we head to a place of divine tranquility. Behold the Seville Cathedral, an architectural marvel that's as grand as it is serene. This colossal edifice, a testament to the city's rich cultural history, is more than just a place of worship. It's a symbol of the resilience and determination of the people of Seville, a testament to their faith and their commitment to preserving their heritage. Constructed over a span of more than a century between the 14th and 16th centuries, the cathedral's history is as layered and complex as its intricate design. The sheer scale of it is awe-inspiring, making it the third largest church in the world and the largest Gothic cathedral. Its status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site is a badge of honor, a tribute to its cultural significance and architectural magnificence. Inside, one of its most revered treasures is the tomb of Christopher Columbus, an iconic figure who needs no introduction. It's a poignant reminder of the city's pivotal role in the age of exploration, a time when Seville was the gateway to the New World. From the majestic cathedral, we transition to the nearby Barrio Santa Cruz. If the cathedral is a grand symphony, Barrio Santa Cruz is a tender, soulful melody. This former Jewish quarter of the city is a maze of narrow, winding streets, each one leading to a surprise. Picture charming cafes where you can sip on a cup of local coffee, colorful houses adorned with traditional Andalusian tiles, and squares filled with the vibrant sounds of everyday life. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to soak in the atmosphere and truly experience the essence of Seville. And while you're here, don't forget to explore the local shops and boutiques. They are the perfect places to find unique souvenirs, from handmade ceramics to traditional Spanish fans. From the tranquil Barrio Santa Cruz, we proceed to a modern marvel. Welcome to Metropole Parasol, a wooden structure that's as unique as it is impressive. Now imagine a colossal honeycomb rising from the heart of Seville, an architectural marvel that playfully dances between the modern and the historic. That's the Metropole parasol for you. It's an emblem of Seville's forward-thinking spirit, its undulating design a testament to the city's innovative heart. And did I mention it's the world's largest wooden structure? Quite the feather in Seville's cap. Step onto the parasol's rooftop walkway and you're greeted by a panoramic spectacle of Seville's skyline. From the Gothic spires of the cathedral to the sun-soaked terraces of Barrio Santa Cruz, the city unfolds beneath you in a patchwork of color and charm. But don't just stop at the rooftop. Venture into the basement and you'll find a treasure trove of history. Here, amidst the cool stone walls, lie the Roman and Moorish ruins that whisper tales of Seville's glorious past. But Seville is not just about architectural wonders, it's also a city that dances to the rhythm of flamenco. Let's transition now to a flamenco show, a spectacle that burns with passion and echoes with centuries of tradition. Picture the stage. A dancer dressed in vibrant colors, her face a mask of fierce concentration. The room reverberates with the rhythmic stamping of her feet, the soul-stirring strumming of the guitar, the poignant wails of the singer. This is flamenco, a dance that weaves a tale of love and loss, of joy and sorrow. It's not just a dance, it's an outpouring of emotion, a cultural heartbeat that pulses through every Sevillano. And as you watch, entranced, you realize that flamenco is not just a performance. It's a piece of Seville's soul, a testament to the city's vibrant spirit, its deep-rooted culture, its unabashed passion. From the fiery flamenco, we cross a symbol of Seville. So come along, let's continue our journey through this city of dreams. Welcome to the Triana Bridge, a steel wonder that's as sturdy as it is beautiful. This bridge, also known as the Isabel II Bridge, is more than just an architectural marvel. It's a testament to the city's history, standing tall since the mid-19th century, connecting the culturally rich Triana neighborhood with the city center. The views from the bridge are a treat for the eyes, offering a stunning panorama of the Guadalquivir River, a waterway as old as time itself that has been the lifeblood of Seville. As we leave the bridge behind, we find ourselves in the heart of Maria Luisa Park. This park is the city's green lung, a sprawling oasis of tranquility amidst Seville's urban hustle. The verdant greenery, punctuated by beautiful fountains and ornate sculptures, offers a delightful break from the city's stone and mortar. Nestled within the park is the Museum of Arts and Traditions, a treasure trove of the city's rich cultural heritage. From the lush environs of Maria Luisa Park, we journey to the Torre del Oro, or Tower of Gold. This dodecagonal wonder once served as a military watchtower during the Almohad dynasty. Today, it stands as a symbol of Seville's enduring spirit. The tower houses a naval museum, showcasing the city's maritime history and its relationship with the Guadalquivir River. It's a fascinating glimpse into the city's past, a narrative told through ancient maps, nautical instruments, and historical documents. Our journey through Seville would not be complete without a visit to the real Alcázar Gardens. These gardens are a slice of paradise, a symphony of colors, and a tranquil retreat from the city's vibrant energy. The gardens are a testament to the city's Moorish past, with their intricate designs and stunning water features. The scent of orange blossom fills the air, a signature fragrance of Seville that's as intoxicating as it is refreshing. The gardens are a paradise for bird watchers, with a myriad of species making their homes in the verdant foliage. These calming gardens, steeped in history and resplendent in natural beauty, are the perfect place to unwind and reflect on the city's rich tapestry of cultures. From the mighty Triana Bridge to the tranquil real Alcázar Gardens, each landmark tells a story, each view paints a picture, and each moment spent in Seville is a memory to cherish. From the calming gardens, we end our journey in this enchanting city of Seville, a city that's a feast for the senses, a city that's a celebration of life, and a city that's as captivating as it is charming. Until next time, Seville, you continue to be a beautiful mystery waiting to be unraveled.